All right, so this time we're doing 6-digit numbers all on their own. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
So no zero is the first digit.
No zero is the first digit. And so, how many total 6-digit numbers are there?
Well, you've got 9 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10.
Okay.
Which is 9. It's 9 with 900,000.
900,000.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, now the 6-digit number is that.
We could include at least one 9. Or actually, don't include a 9.
Okay, what's that going to be?
Well, it's 8 times 9.
Times 9.
It's 8 times 9 to the 5th.
Okay, so we better do that on a calculator. 9 to the 5th is 59049 times 8. Okay, 472, 392.
It is pretty close to half, actually.
That's pretty close. That's the one, that is the number that
Doesn't include
doesn't
nines.
include a 9.
And now we can subtract 900. We can subtract that number from 900.
900,000.
And we get 427, 608. And that is the number that what?
That do include 9.
That do include 9. So we're not quite to half.
Yeah.
Because how many 6-digit
Well,
numbers are there?
There's 900,000.
There's 900,000.
And you'd need 450,000.
Yeah. But you can start seeing that even, so probably when we get to 7-digit numbers,
It'll be more than half.
it'll be more than a half.
Wow.
Wow.
So they do increase pretty quickly.
Yeah, they do increase pretty quickly. In fact, they're going to get closer and closer to 100% of the numbers as you
wonder
go
why
out
that is.
many, many digits. Oh, that's a very good question. It's a very good question. Let's see what's happening here. I can show it to you a little bit here. So we get 8 times 9 to the
And 5th.
5th over 9 times 10 to the 5th. Okay, so I'm not going to worry about canceling here. I'm going to get, this is going to be 8 ninths times 9 tenths to the 5th. Okay,
Yep,
you
cool.
see that?
Yep.
Okay, and this was for 6-digit numbers, and this was the percentage of 6-digit numbers that did not contain a 9. Right?
Yeah.
No 9s. You see all these 9s?
No 9.
That means no 9s because we exclude 0 and 9 from the first digit and exclude 9, exclude 9, exclude 9, exclude 9, exclude 9.
Funny, it gets us all those 9s.
Yeah, it is kind of funny. Okay?
Yep.
So what do you think it's going to be for, what do you think my expression is going to be when I have 10-digit numbers?
Well,
It's going to be.
then this expression,
Yeah.
well, you're gonna have the 8 ninths again
Yeah.
times 9 tenths to the 9.
Aha. So I keep getting an expression that looks like this, raised to a power. Now, is 8 ninths bigger than 1 or less than 1?
It's a little less than 1.
Is 9 tenths bigger than 1 or less than 1?
It's even closer to 1,
Yeah.
but not bigger than 1.
And therefore,
It's not.
It's not bigger than 1.
and therefore, less than 1.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So when I take, it's a positive number, it's less than 1. What happens when I take a positive number that's less than 1 and I start raising it to bigger and bigger powers?
Well, it gets smaller and smaller.
It's smaller and smaller and smaller. And so these are the numbers, this is the fraction of numbers that do not have a 9. And that fraction is getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. So if I went to like 100-digit numbers, I would have 9 tenths to the 100.
Or 9 tenths to the 99.
Oh, sorry, right, 9 tenths to the 99. So that is 0.9. 0.9 to the 99, which is very small, and then times 8 ninths. 8 divided by 9 is, look at how small.
0.00002.
So that's a
basically.
very, very tiny fraction of numbers, of 100-digit numbers that don't contain a 9.
Wow.
And if I went to 1,000-digit numbers,
It'd be even smaller.
0.9.
I don't know if the calculator can do that.
Oops, clear. 0.9 So for 1,000-digit numbers, I keep hitting the wrong key, sorry. 0.9 to the 999. Ooh, times 10 to the minus 46, so 46 zeros in front of that point. 0, or 45 zeros in front of it, sorry. And then times 8 ninths. So you get a super small number. Okay, now I have 45 zeros in front of it.
Yeah.
Huh.
Wow.
1.7 times 10 to the negative 46.
So once I get to 100-digit numbers, there's almost none of, it's such a tiny percentage of the numbers that don't have nines.
And then when you get to infinite digit numbers, you'll have none.
Yeah. Do you see why that kind of makes sense?
Well, you're
Well,
getting.
hold on one second. Let's just finish this up in a separate video.
Okay.